Hey everybody, Crypto Mentor 99. How you doing? It is the morning of June the 2nd. Buenos dias. Uno momento. I'm in a coffee shop and my Spanish is not that great. Anyhow, getting some coffee. Gonna be a good day. I got a friend picking me up in like 3 hours and we're gonna be out and about. But I was thinking about this going to bed last night. Over the years, how many discouraged people that I've spoken to, have met, talked to, Zoom calls. Hey, today's the start of a new week. Don't be discouraged. I don't know what you're going through. We're all going through something. But don't give up. Don't quit. Keep on grinding this week. It's Monday morning. Put a smile face on and grind. That's the video. Love y'all. Bye-bye.